Okay, guys. So this is a video. Okay, this video is about me just streaming for my waiting for my mom or dad to pick me up. Doesn't matter. And then um it was so windy. I was gonna go back inside to wait, but I just wanted to vlog it. Why? Because we're like we're stupid. But yeah. So I just recorded the whole thing, and then skipped to like about five minutes and 50 seconds into the video. At that point, or literally at the end of the video, because it started gushing like starts like blasting random rocks in my face, and as you guys can hear it, I've been talking the whole time, and it was like so windy that you can't even hear my voice. Like just listen to the video. Oh wait, it stopped. Oh, it's coming back. Okay, it's coming back. Bye. There's absolutely about 5 hours. I'm not recording until my mom gets me. I'm recording like to tell you guys how long. It went away. Oh my god, coming back. Oh my. Okay, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut because like every single time I say it's away now, it comes back. And, like I'm not liking it. It's like coming back every single last second. I'm I've been here more than 4 minutes. I've been here for like 2 minutes, and then started recording because there's like so much wind, like, and then I started flinging my phone around. I started like doing that. Is that my mom? Yeah, it's about my mom. Okay, we're like finally out of here. Okay, the wind went away. Let's go. We made it out alive. Guys, look at that. It's like a wind. Bro. Oh my, that would have waited. Oh God. My face hurts. Okay, bye.